Hey there, welcome to a video on ChatGPT, the open AI that's been making waves in the tech world.
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT. ChatGPT.
Do you believe that ChatGPT is here to replace human jobs? Well, we got some interesting insights to share with you. But first, let's talk about what exactly ChatGPT is and what benefits it can offer to your business. Stay tuned because we're going to show you how exactly this tool can revolutionize the way you do business. Are you afraid of the technology that can make things that are not real appear real? So is the CEO of ChatGPT. But don't worry, we'll address that concern and more in this video. Despite some people's fear, ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful tool that can help entrepreneurs in countless ways, from crafting basic emails to generating content for social media. This tool can save you a ton of time and energy. But what about the risk of cyber attacks and misuse? Well, we got good news. OpenAI is taking steps to regulate the use of this platform and prevent it from being used for malicious purposes. So, what makes ChatGPT so special? This tool was developed by OpenAI, a leading AI search lab founded by some of the biggest names in tech, like Elon Musk and Sam Altman. That means that you can trust that this tool is backed by some of the serious tech geniuses. But what can ChatGPT actually do for your business? According to a survey by Oracle, 80% of the companies plan to use AI-powered chatbots in the near future. And a study by Accenture showed that chatbots can save companies up 30% on customer service costs. With ChatGPT, you can create engaging marketing and social media content, automate customer service tasks, and analyze customer data to make informed business decisions. So, whether you're looking to improve your customer service experience, create effective social media content, or optimize internal processes, ChatGPT can help. We got some specific examples and ideas to share with you, so stick around for that. But first, we want to emphasize the importance of using this tool ethically and responsibly. And if you're interested in using ChatGPT to create a digital business, we got some exciting news for you. We can help you make that happen. Book a call with us using the link in the description below. So, to sum it up, ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful tool that can help businesses of all sizes streamline their processes and boost their bottom line. But with great power comes great responsibility, and it's up to us to use this tool in a way that benefits everyone. What do you think about ChatGPT? Leave your thoughts in the comments below and let us know what other topics you'd like for us to cover. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching. Our next video will be about ideas for making $1 million a year. Are you interested? Don't miss on our next video. I'm Eric DiPineda. See you next time.